Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very good morning. Um, Welcome to my class. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about the introduction to multimedia elements. Um, this is me. I'm Harry from University Utara Malaysia. So let's get started. As we all know, multimedia is a combination of several elements, and that several is actually six very important elements that make up any multimedia project. Okay, a project that wanted to be called as multimedia mm, at least must have these six elements. The very first element is text. So basically everything that you see on the screen that consists of text. Those are text element. For example, when you watch interactive movies and everything, and you see subtitles, heading, subheading, and everything, those are text. Okay, so either they are decorated or body of content. And the second one is graphic, or some people just prefer to call it image. So image is one of the very important elements in multimedia project, because as we all know, they're saying that an image conveys 1,000 words. So image is not just make things beautiful, from aesthetic perspective, they also conveys meaning. Okay, they strengthen the multimedia project because they deliver semantic better than text. Okay, indirect semantics, that is. Next element is audio. Or some people just call it sound. So sound or audio is the waveforms that we hear through our ears, something that we can see, but our emotions can detect it, our brain can detect it, but not our eyes. So audio is important, as I've mentioned, especially in giving impacts in the background as a background music, or also as a sound effect and everything. And sometimes people just use it in multimedia project as a foreground effect, overshadowing the other elements such as text and graphic. It's important for me, um, for developer to use multimedia audio elements, as long as they don't overuse it. Okay, so just like any multimedia elements, use it wisely. Okay, it can heighten the emotion, emphasis on some facts in learning and everything. Next is video. Okay, starting from now on, the multimedia elements that I will be explaining, they are known as huge elements because in producing this kind of elements, they are known to have a huge size, like megabytes, kilobytes, and everything, and they will consume your storage, be it your hard drive or external hard drive, pen drive, or everything. So these kind of elements must be chosen and used properly and wisely. Okay, use them whenever necessary. So video are actually images, just like the similar to the image elements, but they are known as moving images. So that's why hence the huge size. Okay, so moving images, they are good in delivering informations, better in attracting attentions of the students and everything, um, as long as you use it wisely. Okay, you can produce it with your smartphone, with your DSLR camera or whatnot. Okay, next is animations. Animation is similar to the video. It's a moving images, but it is not actually recorded via smartphone or whatnot. They are produced just like Disney's, Pixar's, and everything. They are drawn, either traditionally drawn or um, using digital pen like Wacom or probably iPad Pro and everything. So they are good in creating animation symbols, like an avatar, in representing any blended learning or MOOC, you know, just to make things interesting, representing like an image of any topics like physics or whatnot. Okay. And the last one is, to me, is the most important one in this digital era, digital epoch. digital epoch that is an interactivity element. It's a glue that will tie all the other elements, especially when your multimedia project is interactive, that's why it's called an interactivity elements. Once you have all the elements, audio, video, graphic, animation, and everything else, and when you put it in the altering tools, this last element will help you, to glue everything and becomes one highly interactive multimedia project. So that's all from me for today. So I hope that you learned something, if not much, a little. So thank you for listening, and thank you for watching, and Assalamualaikum.